Hello, my name's Ken Levine from Apple Chevrolet. You inquired about the Avalanche. This is the O2 for $13,900. Just take a little video of it, show you what she looks like. I don't know if you've had an Avalanche before. Very versatile vehicle. The midgate will lay down. You can get an 8-foot bed out of it. These are the floor mats for it. Like I said, that midgate will lay down. You can put a 4x8 sheet of plywood in here. These covers come off real simple. It does have a towing package on it. You can give me a call. I can go over some of the details with you. But as you can see, it's leather interior. Heated seats. That back window also will come out. Like I said, very, very versatile vehicle. Looking forward to hearing from you. Again, my name is Ken Levine from Apple Chevrolet. 708-429-3000. And I know you've seen this on the internet, but it's only got 49,000 miles on it. So, nice vehicle. Very clean. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.